Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Experience Brothers. So today let's try something different. Today we'll make parachute. So let's start the video. For making parachute we need one plastic. I have taken here sky bag plastic and threads. I have tied the threads on these four corners and in the middle two. Now it's very simple. I'll just join like this. And I have taken here a container. There is sanitizer container and I'll keep it inside. Take the cap and close it. Now let's try it. Now I have folded it and I'll take it like this and simply throw it out. Now let's try it from the top. Throw it down from the top of the building. So let's do it. Let's try it again.